Finding the courage to change. Stop, look, and listen. My old dysfunctional patterns of thought have created a lot of trouble for me. Stop, look, and listen helps me shift these patterns. I don't start by trying to think new thoughts. My old thoughts can have a lot of momentum. The first thing I need to do is stop, look, and listen. I need to take the time to stop to observe the situation. The stop is like a stop at a train station. Sometimes I need to disembark the train of thought that I'm on, especially if that train is traveling in a negative direction. With a deep in-breath and out-breath, I can imagine stepping off the train and onto a platform in a new place. Sometimes it helps to take a short walk and get outside. I let go of my problem and enjoy wandering around the station. When I return to my task, I have a new perspective. Then I can look for the train that is going in a positive direction. Sometimes I can't physically exit a situation. However, stop, look, and listen still helps me to slow my train of thought. I can focus on listening rather than responding. I can think about another person's positive qualities. I can remember it's not about me. Sometimes when I stop, look, and listen, it's like giving the right-of-way to a faster train. I just pause on the siding and allow their train to go by. This can keep both of us a little safer and a little happier. We might even be able to begin traveling together on a new train. I'm catching the train to Happy Town.